How to cancel Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel your Amazon Music. In order to cancel Amazon Music, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you'll need to open up a web browser. So in order to cancel your Amazon subscription or to cancel your music, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application, but you'll need to log in from a web browser. So open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so right on top you can see my profile icon. So click on the profile icon, and as soon as you click on the profile icon, scroll down a bit, and over here you'll need to go to your membership and subscription from the list. This is going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see all of your subscription. So in order to cancel your music, you'll need to scroll down and then look for Amazon Music. In my case, I don't have an Amazon Music subscription, so you cannot see the same interface as in your case. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Amazon Music. Next page is going to take you to the cancellation page or make a payment or all of that, and click on the cancel button and make sure to go through the date. After that, you'll be receiving a confirmation. If you're sure about it, then click on the cancel button, and that is basically how you can cancel your Amazon Music. In this way, you can cancel Amazon Music on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.